Hi folks, it's Ron. I'd like to share with you my favorite screwdrivers from Ideal. They are the Twisted Nut and Ratchet Nut family of screwdrivers. The ergonomic handles are designed to fit all the way across the palm of your hand and are much more comfortable than a traditional screwdriver handle. Plus, the thermoplastic grip is impervious to gas, oil, and hydraulic fluids, and the leopard spots are a sweat relief pattern when working in hot environments. The 6 torsion bars built into the handle allow an electrician to apply a lot more torque to fasteners when tightening or loosening a screw or a nut. The 35-688 Ratcheting 21-in-1 Twisted Nut screwdriver has a wire connector wrench on the end that allows electricians to quickly tighten wire connectors, providing the electrician with the torque they need to create good electrical connections. Plus, a 3-way metal ratcheting mechanism in the handle that quickly lets an electrician tighten or loosen a fastener. It includes 8 bits, of which 6 can be stored in the handle. It has many of the specialty bits you run across in electrical, HVAC, and other related MRO applications. It includes bits for slotted, Phillips, square drive, star, and hex fasteners, and 3 nut drivers built into the shaft and handle of the screwdriver, providing an electrician with a screwdriver that fits comfortably in the hand and has all the bits you will need on a job site. If you are not going to use a wire connector on a wiring device, you are probably needing to create a wire loop to attach the conductor to the device. The AccuLoop looping holes featured in the handle allows the electrician to create a perfect wire loop every time. So check out the entire line of ratchet nut or twisted nut screwdrivers from Ideal. They have become my go-to screwdrivers when reaching into my tool bag. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. I'm Ron with Ideal. I'll see you on the next one.